iQOO is about to shake up the smartphone market once again, not just with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powered iQOO 15, but also with the all-new iQOO Neo 11, a phone that's bringing top-tier performance for almost half the price. According to top Chinese tipsters Smart Pikachu, the iQOO Neo 11 is coming with some serious hardware upgrades. We're talking about a 2K OLED flat display, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, and the mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. And it doesn't stop there. The Neo 11 is rumored to pack a massive 7,500 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging. That's more endurance and speed than most flagships in 2025. For gamers, it's even better. The Neo 11 reportedly uses iQOO's Monster Supercore engine, delivering ultra-stable frame rates and smooth graphics, basically giving you flagship-level gaming on a mid-range budget. Leaked renders suggest that iQOO is sticking with the clean design from the Neo 10, but with some premium upgrades, including a metal frame and IP68 dust and water resistance. And the best part? The phone could launch in China at just 2,500 yuan, roughly $350. That's wild considering the specs it's offering. The Neo 11 will go head-to-head with other Snapdragon 8 Elite phones like the OnePlus A6, Realme GT8, and Redmi K90, but it might just undercut them all on price. While the iQOO 15 is confirmed for an India launch in November, the Neo 11 hasn't been teased yet, meaning it could stay exclusive to China, at least for now. Would you buy a Snapdragon 8 Elite phone for just $350? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming flagship leaks and insider tech updates.